Hi guys, it's asparagus season here and I thought why not make an asparagus pasta to celebrate the asparagus season. This recipe is really quick to make and easy to make, and you can add the salmon, so like I did in the recipe, or you can also make it vegan and leave out the salmon. So let's get started with the recipe. I have a big pan here heating over medium heat, and then once it's warm we want to cover the bottom well with olive oil. Now I'm also gonna add in my garlic and chili. You don't have to use chili, but I like to add a little bit. And then we are just going to infuse the oil for a little. So you'll need only a couple of minutes. You will notice that the garlic starts to brown slightly and it should smell really nice. So you will notice once they start to release the flavor. In the meantime, I also have my pasta cooking, so these are the end minutes of my pasta. Now I'm also adding in the salmon to the pan. Just going to give it about a minute on each side. Now if you want it nice and crispy, what you could do is to separately cook the salmon, then leave it aside, and then add in at the very end. I'm not going to do that, but you could do that if you want. Once the salmon is almost cooked, so it's still raw in the middle, but it's getting there, I'm going to add in my asparagus and grate in a little bit of, or about 1 or 1.5 skin of a lemon. Make sure it's an organic lemon. You could also add in a little lemon juice if you want. And then I'm also adding in about 2 ladles of the cooking water from my pasta and a splash of white wine, giving it a short mix. Now I'm going to turn up the heat, and I've also strained my pasta, adding it in, giving a short mix. And we're gonna season with some salt, freshly ground black pepper, and then you just want to give it a couple of minutes just to cook the asparagus until it's to your liking. So I like it just cooked a little bit so it's still nice and crispy. And also we want to cook off a little bit of the liquids, and then it's ready to be served. I would serve this with a little bit of Parmigiano on top. As I said, this is a really simple and quick to make recipe. I think it's one of those quick and easy meals that you can put together in about half an hour and it's ready to be eaten. I really love this kind of pasta dishes because you have fresh produce in there which is still crunchy. That's how I like my asparagus, but you can also cook it through if you prefer it that way. And then it also has the flavor from the garlic and from the chili and from the wine, and then you have that little bit of the creaminess from the pasta water, and I don't know, it's a simple dish, but I really love this kind of simple, flavorful dishes. So if you're a fan of this kind of dishes, I think you're gonna love this one for its simplicity, but also for the flavor. And since this is one of those quick and easy meals, I would like to hear your opinion. I always love to hear your opinions on these kind of recipes, because these are the ones that I cook on a daily basis, and I always think whether I should share them or not, whether there's really interest in this kind of dishes. So please let me know if you like this recipe. Please share that thumbs up for support, and then I will be sharing more of these for your lunch and dinner inspiration. Also, if you're interested in these kind of recipes, then I will link a few for you here, some of the other quick and easy meals that I have shared in the past. Also, if you're new to my channel, then you can subscribe right now, and don't forget to tap the bell so you will get a notification whenever a new video comes out. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.